Get all my little baby hairs out of the way. Ugh, I hate when this happens. Hey you guys, in today's video, my nose is very runny, but I want to film this video because of the fact that I changed the way I do my eyebrows. Yeah, I just never do my brows on camera too much because it does take a while. Well, not really. I did this in like 2 seconds, but it can take a while and it's kind of repetitive, so I just usually don't do it. But today I want to show you guys how I do my brows. 2 ways I do my brows, one with a pencil and one with a pomade. So, you know I'm on Benefit Club Pink. I use Benefit products. I have tried other products. I do try other brow products, but my main love is my Benefit products for my brows. So, gosh, you can even see how swollen my nose is right here. I did take Benadryl, I took Sudafed, I took hydroxyzine, I took all my allergy medication, and we're just gonna have to deal with it until it clears up. It'll probably clear up in about an hour or so. But I don't have an hour to wait to film this video because I do have to go to a doctor's appointment at 12:45. So I gotta figure out if my ankle's like fractured or not. And I gotta do an update on my throat. So I think I might give you guys like a tonsillectomy video pretty soon. Probably next week I'll film it because I'm still healing, but it's getting better and better every single day. But this tonsillectomy is making my ears itch so bad. But enough about that. Before we get into the video, please subscribe at the button down below and make sure you hit that notification bell if you subscribe, or if you're already subscribed, if you haven't hit it yet, you know, to get notified when I upload a video because YouTube like to hide people videos. Okay, so this is my naked brow. If you go back to older videos, you can see this was not there. I had about like from here up because I shaved all my brows from here back and I couldn't grow them back out for a long time, but I finally figured out how to grow them out. I basically just tweezed myself. Like I stopped using a razor. I don't use a razor. I just tweezed. Only tweezed, and that's it. First product I usually go in with is the Bravo Conditioning Primer. It basically just primes your lids for primes your brows for fuller looking brows, and it does have a lot of vitamins to promote brow growth. It says 1 click for 1 brow, so that's what I usually do. And basically all you have to do is paint on your brow, and honestly this feels so good. Like I love putting this stuff on. If you can get your hands on this, please do, because it just feels so good. Okay, and the next, this is like my favorite brow product. This is the Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit. I can go from shade 3.5 all the way up to 6. Because of my hair color, and I can get away with all of those shades. They're very universal. My number 1 shade is 4 or 4.5. Those just are like my natural hair color. I'm using one that's a little bit warmer and lighter today. We're gonna be using the Precisely My Brow in the shade 4 today. And I'm actually almost out of this one, so I had to pull another one out of my collection. So this is like the first one I ran out of. Okay, so my tip is if you have your brow shaped right, your brow is gonna go on really easy. So basically I just fill it. I don't fill in my whole brow. I fill in whatever spots are missing. So I do make a line at the bottom to guide me. So like I was saying, I make a line at the bottom. Basically get that brow shape going here. Do the same thing at the top. And then blend out the product. For my tail, I don't have a tail. I don't have much of a tail, so I just fill that in pretty much. And then we're just gonna make hair strokes in the brow to fill in the brow. But we're not filling in every single gap. Like I didn't really put any product right here too much. You can see I move my hairs away. There's not really that much product. And in the front, we're gonna just go up like this. To create that natural looking brow. And we're just gonna keep making hair strokes, and I'm going on in different pressures so I can get more dimension. Okay, so that's our brow filled in with the pencil. They also have the goof proof pencil, which I cannot use because I'm used to a precise tip. And then we're gonna go in with the Gimme Brow Plus. Okay, so I really like this black brow gel, and I haven't found a brow gel that I like more than this. It's very flexible but very pigmented, but it does hold your brows in place. This is a shade number 4 to match the pencil. So what I do is I just pretty much comb this through my brows. One dip and you're done pretty much. Just use one side of the spoolie, flip it, and use the other side. And pretty much done. This does give my brows a lot of texture, makes them extra full, makes them look very hairy, which I like, basically. There we go. And sometimes I do just use this on its own when I just want to give my brows a little bit more dimension. Sometimes I go in with a highbrow, which is this pencil right here. It is a pink highlight pencil. It's matte, and we just are going to put some right up under the brow, just like this. I know it looks like, oh my god, it looks intense, but this shade is actually very universal, and we're gonna blend it out as well as carve out our brows with this little brush. This is a no-name brush. It's from Groupon, so sorry. My mommy got me these. And then we're gonna blend it out with a finger. So it's not as intense as it looks beforehand. And reminder, I'm gonna put makeup on after this, so it's not going to be this intense, like fully. But then we're gonna be taking the Benefit Highbrow Glow, which is like a shimmer highlight for your brows, and we're gonna pop that just on our brow bone. And these pencils are very creamy, and I love the finish of these. Okay guys, so there is brow number 1. This is like my natural-ish brow. I know it still doesn't look natural, but this is my natural brow because my brows are already dark, and I just pretty much just basically give them structure. So, but the next brow we're gonna do is the contoured, like the Instagram brow with the pomade. So let me get these off, and I will be right back. This is my contoured brow. You can actually see how much darker it is. Okay, so what I use for this is the Ka-Brow. This is a shade 4.5. I do like the brush, but my brush just kind of messed up because of how I put it in there last time. You can definitely just like use this, because I use on my other colors I use this. But I do have a Benefit brow brush, and I actually really like it. It's very razor sharp. It does look like this, and you can see how sharp that edge is. See how thin it is. And the spoolie is actually really fluffy and really good. It's not too harsh, so it's not going to remove product. So I really like this brush. Yeah, let's just go in with the product and get these brows on my face. So basically what I'm going to do the top and bottom line like I did last time. Then I just fill in my brow completely. And with this brush, I don't need to clean up any edges because of the fact that it's so precise that I don't hardly ever mess up with this brush, to be honest. I'm just gonna make some hair strokes in the front. But then we're gonna just blend out all this product so we can get rid of any spaces. Then we're gonna use the Gimme Brow shade 4. So we're just going to set all the brow hairs in place and coat them evenly with this product. And that is my contoured brow. I really am digging my brows like this at the moment. Let me scoot y'all out so y'all can start looking at my broken out face. Okie dokie. So why am I so, my ears itch so bad for my stupid throat. If you want to see a Talk Don't Like to Me video, let me know down below and I can definitely give you my experience because it hasn't been a smooth ride. Okay, so since I'm done venting, yeah, so if you would like to see more like how I do certain things, like maybe how I do my lips with having the scars from the dog bites all over my lips right here, let me know. If you want to see how I do my eyeliner or learn how to do my eyeliner, let me know. Just let me know what you want to see and I will definitely do it. My channel is for you guys and the content is for you guys, so why not? But be sure to go follow me on Instagram to see my benefit brow search posts, and as well as just follow me, like why not? It's Makeup by Micaylah. Yeah, and I'll see you in my next video.
This game, top of God, that's a liability. Hit the gas, boosting my adrenaline, Percocet.